Hey guys, it's BaayTa. Today I'm reviewing for you an application that allows you to trigger certain functions on your phone by just shaking it either once or twice. Let's dive in. The app was originally featured on the XDA Portal side by Samantha. It's referencing XDA senior member Ashton Shia. And it's referencing the two different applications in the post, the C-Lock and the C-Shaker application. If we open up the thread itself, we'll notice that there's a third application that he's mentioning, which is C-Widget, but please check one of the other reviews that I've done on for that one. For C-Shaker, it gives you a little bit of a description of what it is. It's the ability to shake your phone to either turn on and off certain functions or be able to turn on applications, which is a very nice little shortcut, not having to touch the screen. You just have to shake the phone, and you're able to set the sensitivity of the shake so that it doesn't trigger automatically. He gives you a little bit of a kind of a to-do list of what he's thinking of doing in the future as far as turning the phone over and being able to trigger certain activities that way. You're able to download the application straight from the thread itself, or you can go straight to the Google Play Store, which he gives us links to, and you're able to see here is a little bit of screenshots of what the application settings are. Obviously, there is no front-end interface to the application since all you're doing is shaking. It's a good application. It does work quite nice. The requirement on this one, which is slightly different than some of his other applications, is that it needs Android 3.0 or higher. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to install that, but it's still quite a long list of devices that you're able to cover. Let's go ahead and check it out on the phone. Go ahead and open up the application on the Google Play Store. Look for C-Shaker by Ashton Shia. Go ahead and open it up. It gives you a quick settings of what the application. By default, when you first install the application, it gives you the option of turning it on. If you uncheck this, it disables the functionality of the application itself. It has the options of going into toggling system settings, launching shortcuts, which mean by specific applications on your phone, playing music by shaking and then skipping tracks is also a function that's installed. The flashlight, if you're an avid user, the flashlight is definitely a nice function to have. And turning on and off turning off the screen and the device is also a very nice thing to be able to just basically quickly grab the phone, shake it, put it in your pocket, and get out of there. Also gives you the ability here in be able to test the shake functionality and also set the sensitivity of the shake on the phone. Overall, the toggle system settings, if you go into that, it has Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, auto rotation. Launching the application itself, currently I have it set to camera, messaging, let's say, and that's shaking it once and shaking it twice, and that's what it does as far as setting it up. For the sake of the double shake, let's go ahead and we'll go with the Amazon App Store for now. And also gives you the ability to set how much time delay is there between the two shakes so that you're able to set that, to have a correct action set. The other thing is you're also able to turn on and off the light, the torch, or at least the LED in the back. On and off for the screen, you're able to, not on and off, just off. You're also able to set the sensitivity of the shake, and you're able to test it here. Let's go ahead and check it out. I've already set the applications on the phone. We'll go home. Just grab your phone. So to turn it on, you turn on the camera. Here's one shake. You're able to launch the application itself straight with this double shake. If the App Store ever launches. The app itself works nicely. It has the functionality to be able to either trigger it directly right off the bat by a very simple shake, or you have to actually shake the phone quite well. You're able to set the sensitivity on that, which is very nice. I like the fact that you're able to customize different functions in the phone, so it's not just an on and off for the torch. You're able to turn on Wi-Fi. You're able to turn on, turn off mobile data. You're able to do certain things, and the developer is definitely adding more functions. And one of his main things, or at least one of his future plans, is the ability to be able to have the phone do certain things when you turn over the phone. A lot of different developers or a lot of different stock ROMs now will give you the ability to mute the phone by doing so. So this is a function that he's trying to work on to add features to that. Overall, very nice. It's been out there and definitely being supported. Just check it out. Let me know what you think. I'm using two different applications, the camera and, like as you saw in the demo, I just put the Amazon App Store in there, but you can set it to be either your messaging application, you're able to set it up to be your Facebook application, depending on what your most common applications that you use on your phone. I find that the camera is one of my number ones, especially when I'm in the middle of doing something and my 3-year-old walks right in front of me and does something God knows, and I want to take pictures of it. So definitely a very nice application to have. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, comment, and let me know of any other options or any other applications you'd like me to do a review of. And otherwise, we'll see you guys next week.